Hello, I'm Greg Tolentino, Product Manager for TEGAM. Earlier videos in this series introduced you to our new state-of-the-art data collection thermometers, designed for precision temperature measurement in both the lab and on the factory floor. TEGAM's thermometers bring innovative features and rugged durability to the world of precision temperature measurement. But a great instrument is just one piece of the puzzle. Your new thermometer must also fit the way that you do business. Instead of changing your work processes to adapt to your thermometer, shouldn't your thermometer be flexible enough to adapt to your already proven workflows? Instead of requiring new or additional hardware and software infrastructure, shouldn't it integrate with your existing platforms? The TEGAM Developers Kit gives you this flexibility. Designed to help you get the most out of your 931A or 932A data thermometer, this Software Developers Kit provides all the tools necessary to fully customize your temperature data collection. Using the SDK, developers can quickly stream timestamp temperature data directly from the TEGAM thermometer over a Bluetooth 4.0 wireless connection. The thermometer can also be fully controlled over that same wireless connection, allowing quality teams to ensure that measurement settings are compliant and consistent every time. The SDK includes sample programs for Windows environments and Android and Apple mobile platforms. Each program provides fully implemented code examples for the thermometer's features and includes both editable code and program executables so you can see it in action. For more involved and specialized implementations, the full list of Bluetooth characteristics is also provided. Development teams can use these characteristics to build their own APIs tailored to their particular operating environments or integration needs. Customers also receive free technical assistance with TEGAM's qualified applications engineers and an invitation to the private TEGAM developer forums. Solve the temperature data collection challenge without compromising your business processes using the TEGAM Developers Kit. To discuss your temperature data solution, give us a call today. Thank you.
When the measurement matters, be certain with TEGAM.